morning. My name is Jennifer. Glad to meet you. Welcome to Foresight Man Machinery. Today, I'm going to introduce this labeling machine. It is for the round bottle and small bottles. You could stick the two labels on the bottles, like this one. You could see one side label and both sides label. Both sides stick it. This machine can run 10 to 44 labels per minute, and it's easy for you to operate it. You could just make some little adjustments to make some change. It can fit to the round bottle and flat bottle. Okay, let me introduce each part for you so you could know more details. This type of labeling machine can be connected to the production lines or the workers. What this machine by manual is okay. And you can see this one is the transport field. It will transport each bottle to stick the label. And this one is the controller. You could adjust it to change the transport speed more faster or more slower. And each bottle will one by one go through it. This one will let each bottle run in order. And here is the transport train to fit the flat bottle. To make sure the label could stick on bottles more accurately. And you can see here there is both sides label hands in here to stick the label. This one is the eye sensor. It will identify the bottle and send a signal to the machine to let it output the label and then stick on the bottle. This one is for the round bottle. When the machine is for the round bottle, its functions will push the round bottle and stick the label. If for the flat bottle, you will open here and this one is the flat one. When runner, you will let the labels to stick the bottle well. Okay, more importantly is there is a sensor to identify the labels. It will identify each label and send a signal to machine to output. Our machine is controlled by the touch screen. You could choose the different functions on this here. And you could choose the flat bottles or round bottles. It's very easy for you to operate it. And if you want to stick the different dimensions of bottles, you just need to adjust here and here to adjust this labeling hand position to stick the different labels on different places. And this device is for adjust the bottle height. You can run these handles to let it up and down. Okay, let's check the electricity board of this machine. You could see the double frequencies is for the Panasonic Japan, and the controlling system is PLC, and this one also the Panasonic. now you have some ideas on this machine. If you have any interesting on this machine, you can contact us by straight the follow website. Our sales managers will contact you online 24 hours to help you to pay this order. Bye!